Sheesh just got real. Guys, check it. Look, I got a scale to measure my food because I'm Italian. I see with my eyes. I need only 4 to 6 ounces of protein per meal. I've been eating 3 chicken breasts. That's like enough for an army. Oh, and look, help me with this. Look, Sheesh just got real. Glass containers with lids. Yes, I'm personally setting my goals. And look, we got a new food partner, Muscle Egg. This is cake batter. It comes frozen. New sponsorship. This is liquid egg whites. You can drink it. It tastes like a milkshake, or you can put it in a frying pan and make pancakes. So guess what? I'm pushing myself. I'm gonna measure my food and I'm gonna put it in my meal prep, okay? And I'm gonna be cooking up with these. The Fun Fit Foodie is here. Hurricane Dorian, come at me! Woo! Love you. That's it, Shelby. That's it, Lola. Come on, let's do it together. Look, this was only $12. I don't know why I got this or didn't get this earlier, because I'll tell you what, when I eat, I'm eating like 2 cups of turkey meat, and that's like 4 servings. I gotta get real with myself. This was a mental block for me because I mentally said, I don't want to measure my food because I can train it off and I'm better. And I counted calories before and I got a past history of dieting and I don't want to do that. And I said, you know what? Those days are over. I got to get real with myself. So I got this one. You put it right there. It's electric kitchen scale. And my assistant just said, oh, you're going to be like, really making sure you don't eat more than you're supposed to. Exactly. And then we'll be saving the food. Then we'll be saving the food, right? Like save the world, save the food. I won't be going through my groceries that fast. So this is going to be going in the kitchen. And then I'm going to be doing some great. So it comes frozen, guys. Let me just show you this real quick. It comes frozen. Muscle Egg. Thank you so much. It comes frozen, completely frozen. And then you just put in your fridge. It's hard as a rock. Oh, we got more. Look at that. Yes, Sheesh just got real. I'm going to be meal prepping. Come hell or high water or hurricane, I'm staying on my goals. Ain't no category 5 going to be knocking me off of my focus here. I love you guys. Are we having fun yet? I love you. So may I motivate you to get real. We got some Muscle Egg going down right now in a little bit, okay? Delicious flavors, key lime pie, chocolate mocha. What else? I'm going to be playing with this, and I got my meal prep. Let's do this together, VIPs. I love you. Let's do this. I believe in you.